Hello friends, many such customs were used in history which would be classified a serious crime in today's world. In older times, such a strange practice inside England in which people is locked inside a church forever and not taken out until he died. Friends, in this video we are going to tell you about a strange practice of England. So let's start this video. In 1272, there was a large crowd gathered near a small church in North England. A mechanic was constructing a room behind the church, and inside the room there was a woman who is crying. As the mechanic was completing the wall, the voice of crying was increased, and finally in a short time the woman was completely locked in the room for her whole life. For the society, this is a religious practice, but for the woman, this is a life imprisonment, and this practice is known as Anchornites. The most unique thing in Anchornite is number of women was twice the number of men. These people of England inspired to become Anchornite from the John the Baptist, because the John the Baptist is a hermit who separated from the world to get closer to God. But the John the Baptist had never considered this kind of practice that Anchornite had created for himself. In that time, hermit was considered very high standard people and highly respected in the society. John the Baptist was a very famous hermit at that time, and people of this time consider him a messenger of God. His isolation in this way was considered an act of devotion to a god, and also people often visit to take some spiritual knowledge from him. In fact, some people felt that hermit work was very easy task, so they thought that to get closer to God they needed to go into more difficulty seclusion, and thus they created a separate group of people and called as Anchornite. Friends, it was not any person could join the Anchornite, and to become Anchornite, one had to take a permission from the church, because the cell in which that person lived and spent his life was built inside the church, and for this money was also needed to become Anchornite, because after being imprisoned in the room they have to hire a servant who will provide food and clean the urine and his waste. So this proved that Anchornite was very rich and belonged to high standard family. Friends, once Anchornite was imprisoned, there was no way to get out, or there was complete shutdown, and also there is only 2 or 3 holes were present. One of these holes towards the church, so that Anchornite always connected to God through the hole, and the second hole was for relatives so that they can meet him, and the last hole for the servant who gives the food and clean the urine. If we talk about room, then there was no comforts were present, because these people believed that they were able to connect the God more easily when situation become more difficult. In this room, there was only few things were present, like one bed, one desk and a bucket which is used to collect urine. It means that they have to live in the small room with the urine and his waste until the servant don't come. In summer, the problem of these people were increased, because it was very small room in which air could not enter, and even they could not take bath because there was no bathing facility provided, nor they have to allow to do this. So it is very difficult to tolerate the foul smells comes from his own body. To spend his time, they used to make ornaments and statue of God by his hand, and at that time these ornaments were considered so holy, and people feel very proud when they wear these ornaments. By seeing the increasing popularity of Anchornite, they fix a time limit, because for the ornament a lots of people started to meet him. Therefore they changed the rules of guidebook in which a time limit was set for the people to meet. At that time Anchornite was very famous and respected by people so much, so they provide him a greatest position in the church, And the famous people also meet these anchorite for the spiritual knowledge, which includes kings and queens. And mainly, women choose to become anchorite and they choose for the religious feeling. But later, they changed their mind and they started to coming out. But there was no other option to stay in the room. No matter how much these people cry, they have to stay in the room until his last breath. Some people say that women loves to become anchorite because at that time women were oppressed by the society at that time, and to protect themselves from the torture they choose to this life, which was itself a torture. When a person was locked down in the cell, then his family believed that this person was dead at the same time, because people believed that his earthly life was over, and also they were not allowed to meet a lots of people. So slowly their family members forget them. Therefore, when Anconite died, then no one will know this except his servant could give any news. And this was the reason that all these people used to do funeral in advance. It is said that every Anconite used to request to get out at one time at least in his life, but this was not possible. And in many cases, Anconite also tried to run away with the help of outsider, but there was no proof of successful escaping in history. Friends, in England, this tradition was continued till 500 years, and this practice began to end when Henry VIII became the King of England. And the year 1536, King Henry introduced a new law to dissolve the anchorite and its practices. Friends, you will be surprised to know that at that time there was some people who considered the life of anchorite was so easy and they live a more difficult life to get a closer to God. These religious groups were known as stylites. The name of stylites were derived from stylish word which mean pillar. In the presence of God, these people spend his whole life sitting on pillar which is made of stone, and these pillars were built under the open sky, due to which these people face the heat, cold and rain. Like hermit and anconite, stylites were also given a high respect in the society. Such life and practices were created by anchorite and sterlite for themselves are not mentioned in any religious book of the world. So friends, what do you think about these superstitions? Tell me in comment section, and hopefully you like this video, and if you like to see such interesting and amazing videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for your valuable time.